Good morning, friends, and once again, welcome from sharestudingschool.com. Today, 23rd January 2017. Quickly, we will go through daily chart and then we will shift to hourly for intraday analysis. In daily chart, if you can see this trend line which we have plotted in the past, this blue trend line has been breached, and one more pattern which we have been following is double bottom formation. So both actually this join somewhere here, that is our double bottom neckline and trend line that was actually breached somewhere around at this area on 10th Jan, and after that there is a pullback is expected, though technically this pullback has started, and now we can expect to the max correction can be till this trend line. This is I'm talking about maximum correction possibility, and that possibility would be trend line. So basically, when we see any trend line breakout, I'll just plot. Suppose this is a trend line, and suppose this is a price. If price has tested a resistance here, again a resistance. If it tests resistance again here, suppose next time it breaches this trend line. That time, after certain areas where it seeks a resistance, there will be a follow through pullback, and that pullback can be tested as a support, and after that, if this level breaches north, then that time we will see a proper trend comes in, which forms actually a double bottom, which forms actually a rising bottom formation, something like this. And that is what we can see. We have actually breached this trend line somewhere here. After that, it has tested a resistance, and now it is coming down. So it can, to the max, it can come to this level somewhere here or somewhere here. It may seek a support. So this is a maxed correction possibility I am talking about. But before that, you can see that there is a maximum support areas, like this is 100 EMA which is placed at around 8,314. Then there is a 20 EMA which is trapped in between this 50 and 20 EMA has been breached in between 50 and 100 EMA here. That shows that we are in a consolidation. So 8,314, then around 8,300, then around 8,275. There are multiple support areas before this trend line. And 8,275 is the area where actually we can see that this is the area where actually even neckline of this double bottom is there. So to the max correction, what we are talking about is trend line, but before that it will seek a strong support around 8,275, and that is what our daily chart analysis with price pattern formation is showing us, that correction probability is till 8,275 at this moment, with various supports of daily moving averages of 120. If you consider this in hourly chart, you can see that 8,329 there is a 100 EMA support, and then as we said below that there will be a support of 8,275. So immediately there is a support around after some 20 points. So market may continue its correction to this level, but around this RSI is around 30, so we are in oversold almost condition. So around 8,275, if it even continue, which will be very difficult, because as I said, there are various support before that area, that is 20 EMA, that is 8,314, then 8,300, then 8,275. 8,329, there is a support of 100 EMA in hourly chart. If you convert it into 2 hourly chart, which we have been following for some time, we can see that at this moment we are at 150 EMA, and as I said in the past record also, 20 EMA generally works as a strong support, and Nifty follows 2 hourly chart very clearly. So that is what actually you can see that at 50 EMA we have tested a support. So around 8,280 is a 2 hourly 100 EMA. So my target for the day would be 8,280 to 8,275. So I am expecting Nifty to come to around 8,275. I'll keep stop loss of 8,395 into hourly chart 20 EMA, and once it crosses yesterday's low, then I'll go for short. I'll keep target around 8,275. Around 8,300 I expect a strong support. I expect that market will actually test that support. It may bounce back to 8,343, that is 50 EMA. So as I expect, the probability would be like price will continue to go further down from this area, and it will go till around 8,300 level. So around 8,300 price will continue, then seek a support and come back to 8,343 or 8,340. Retest 50 EMA as a resistance, and again in follow through it may cross 8,300 level and then go to 8,275.80. This is the area where I'll keep book my profit. If in case 8,300 works as a support and it bounce back to 8,343 and it crosses this level with volume, by the time if 20 EMA is here and it crosses 20 EMA north, then I'll square off my position and I'll book my loss. So as per 2 hourly chart, I will be going short, and that short would be actually once it crosses yesterday's low, my target will be 8,300 and 8,280. My stop loss will be 8,395 at this current level. However, 8,395, which is actually a 20 EMA, but it will trail once the price starts going down. So I'll trail my stop loss with 20 EMA, and by any chance in 15-minute chart, if it crosses this level, then I'll get out of the trade. So thank you very much for watching this video. Keep subscribing, keep liking, and wish you best of luck for trading. Thanks a lot.